Marine life is being destroyed at an alarming rate, with coral reefs dying off faster than ever before. The world's oceans are facing a catastrophic crisis, one that threatens the very survival of our planet's marine ecosystems. Coral reefs, which are home to a staggering 25% of all marine species, are dying off at an unprecedented rate. It's estimated that over 75% of the world's coral reefs are under threat, with many already showing signs of severe bleaching. This phenomenon occurs when rising sea temperatures cause the corals to expel their algal symbionts, turning them a ghostly white. The consequences of this are dire, with many marine species facing extinction due to the loss of their habitats. But what's causing this catastrophic decline in coral health, and what can we do to stop it? Scientists have identified several key factors, including climate change, overfishing, and pollution. Rising sea temperatures are the primary driver, with warmer waters stressing the corals and making them more susceptible to disease. Imagine a grain of sand containing an entire library of marine life, and that's what coral reefs represent. However, the impact of coral bleaching goes far beyond the immediate ecosystem.
It's estimated that coral reefs provide a vital source of income for over 500 million people worldwide.
The economic benefits of healthy coral reefs are immense, with many communities relying on them for fishing and tourism. But that's not the strangest part. Coral reefs also play a crucial role in protecting coastlines from storms and erosion. The loss of these natural barriers would leave millions of people vulnerable to the effects of climate change. It's a ticking time bomb, and one that requires immediate attention. So, what can we do to save our coral reefs? The first step is to reduce our carbon emissions and slow the rate of climate change. This means transitioning to renewable energy sources and reducing our reliance on fossil fuels. But it's not just about reducing emissions. We also need to take action to protect our oceans. This includes reducing plastic pollution, establishing marine protected areas, and promoting sustainable fishing practices. It's a complex issue, but one that requires a coordinated effort from governments, businesses, and individuals. We can start by making simple changes in our daily lives, such as reducing our plastic use and supporting eco-friendly brands. Every small action counts, and collectively we can make a significant impact. Wait until you hear what comes next. There's a new technology that could revolutionize the way we restore coral reefs. Scientists have developed a revolutionary new material that can mimic the properties of coral itself. It's a game changer, and one that could potentially restore damaged reefs to their former glory. But it's not just about the technology, it's also about the people involved in the process. Local communities are being empowered to take charge of their own reef restoration efforts. It's a grassroots movement, and one that's gaining momentum around the world. And then something unexpected happened. A group of entrepreneurs came up with an innovative new business model. They're creating a sustainable fish farm, one that uses recycled materials and minimizes waste. It's a win-win, providing a vital source of income for local communities while also protecting the reef. The future of coral reefs looks bleak, but there's hope on the horizon. With the right combination of technology, community engagement, and sustainable practices, we can restore these vital ecosystems. It's a challenge that requires immediate attention, but one that's not insurmountable. We can make a difference, and it starts with small actions and big ideas. The clock is ticking, but we can still save our coral reefs. Subscribe for more incredible stories about the natural world, and let's work together to protect it. If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this. Want more mind-blowing facts about marine life? Subscribe to our channel and join the conversation.